Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mirrorless cameras and taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Sony A7V. The Alpha series by Sony has been a game-changer in the photography and videography industry, consistently delivering cutting-edge technology for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Following the remarkable success of the Sony A7 IV, all eyes are now on its successor. As we approach the 3-year mark since the launch of the A7 IV, speculation and rumors are swirling about what the A7V might bring to the table. In this video, we'll unravel the latest leaks, whispers, and educated guesses about this upcoming marvel, from its rumored specifications to its potential price and release date. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the Alpha series, promising significant upgrades across the board. A refined design is anticipated, possibly borrowing ergonomic enhancements from the A7 IV. This would make it an even better tool for professionals who need a camera that's comfortable and efficient for long shoots. One of the standout features rumored for the A7V is a 4-axis multi-angle LCD monitor, a feature that could redefine how photographers and videographers frame their shots. This level of flexibility could make it a favorite for creators working in dynamic environments. Another exciting rumor centers around the sensor. The Sony A7V is expected to feature a brand new 44-megapixel IMX366 sensor with double the readout speed of its predecessor. This improvement could result in faster autofocus, better image quality, and a lower base ISO of 80, enhancing the dynamic range and delivering incredible performance even in challenging lighting conditions. These improvements suggest that the A7V could handle high-contrast scenes more effectively, offering rich details in both highlights and shadows. For action photographers, the A7V might support continuous shooting at 10 frames per second for up to 1,000 frames, a feature that would make capturing fast-moving subjects a breeze. Video enthusiasts won't be left out either. The camera is rumored to support 7K full-width oversampled 4K, recording at up to 60 frames per second. This could mean incredibly sharp video quality, with over 15 stops of dynamic range. However, there's some speculation that a crop factor might be applied when shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second, similar to what we've seen in other professional Sony cameras. Moving on to additional features, the Sony A7V might come equipped with an advanced AI processing unit, paving the way for improved autofocus capabilities and subject tracking. This AI integration could also enable new features like auto-framing and breathing compensation, making it an excellent tool for videographers aiming for cinematic results. Furthermore, a dedicated cinematic vlog setting could appeal to content creators who want professional quality video without complex post-production workflows. Storage and durability are critical for professional cameras, and the A7V seems ready to deliver on both fronts. The camera is expected to feature dual CF Express type of compatible media slots, offering faster data transfer speeds and larger buffer sizes for extended continuous shooting. This would be a welcome upgrade for professionals who often deal with large file sizes and need reliable storage options on the go. Other rumored features include breathing compensation for lenses and a larger buffer capacity, making it easier to shoot long bursts without interruptions. These enhancements would further solidify the A7V's position as a versatile tool for professionals across various fields, from sports photography to wildlife videography. In terms of design, the A7V might also see subtle but meaningful changes. The ergonomics could be tweaked to ensure better grip and usability, especially during extended use. Sony has been known to listen to feedback from its user base, and the A7V could reflect many of the suggestions made by photographers and videographers who've used previous models. Now, let's talk about pricing and release dates. The Sony A7V is rumored to hit the market with a price tag of around $3,000. This positions it as a competitive option in the high-end mirrorless camera segment, offering a blend of advanced features and value for money. As for the release date, early 2025 is the most commonly speculated timeline. While this might feel like a long wait, the anticipation is building excitement and giving Sony ample time to perfect this next-generation camera. Of course, it's essential to remember that these details are based on leaks and speculation. While the information we've shared provides a fascinating glimpse into what could be the next evolution of the Alpha series, we'll need to wait for an official announcement from Sony to confirm any of these features. However, the buzz surrounding the A7V suggests that Sony is gearing up to deliver another industry-defining product. In summary, the Sony A7V could be a game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. With rumored features like a 44-megapixel sensor, enhanced video capabilities, AI-driven functionalities, and ergonomic improvements, this camera might set a new standard for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a photographer looking for exceptional image quality or a videographer aiming for cinematic excellence, the A7V could be the perfect tool to elevate your craft. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the Sony A7V. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Technology in the Future, for more exciting updates and in-depth reviews of the latest tech innovations. Stay tuned for more, and let's keep exploring the technology shaping our world.